Here's a little update on the 1964 Rally build. As you guys know, this car was a rust bucket when I got it less than 90 days ago. I've done a patina restoration, I guess you could say, a fake restoration. I've never restored a car. I'm basically taking this car from sitting in the back of a yard that was sitting there rotting away to this is going to be back on the road again, and hopefully someone can enjoy this car for many years to come. So I'm learning how to do all this stuff. I did all the body work. I painted it. I made some fake patina lines in it. I didn't want it to look like, well, I sanded it and a bunch of garbage all over. I wanted to make it look like this is how it was supposed to be if it sat in someone's garage for a while. So some wear marks from driving, some light stuff from wear and tear from washing it over the years, but that's not how it was. It was fully rust. Some guy took all the paint off and then didn't do anything else. So this is a 1964 Volkswagen Beetle. We're turning into a rally style Volkswagen. So it's gonna have some race numbers on it, sponsors, so on. So big thanks to Jbugs at jbugs.com. They sent me a bunch of parts to help install on this. We're still working on the process to get those in, and when we do, you'll see all those videos. If you don't know Menno from Buggs Upholstery, check him out. There's only one of them. There's a lot of guys that try to copy his stuff, but he does basically very high quality interior kits that you can put right in your car. They're super easy to put on. They're very high quality, thick, and there's even Velcro, so when you get it on there, you can just put it right on and so on. And this stuff is good. I've run it in all my cars. We got door cards that are going to go in that match that, front and rear seats. We're also installing his carpet kit as well. So check him out. It's Buggs Upholstery. He does super quality interior kits and he does custom stuff, and it's extremely reasonable compared to a lot of options out there. And then obviously where the car came from over at Buggs Bunnies, but an idea last year of, as I left Sema, that I want to do something similar and restore a car and learn how to do it. And that idea turned into the car going to Sema, and then I decided, what the heck, let's just go and do this in 90 days. So that was probably the biggest challenge, that I don't know what I'm doing. However, here we are. So got less than 20 days left. We don't have a motor. That's kind of the final thing. All the rest of the parts are in the garage. We're gonna get all that stuff in it, but if you've been following along, we appreciate it. Stay tuned as we get the rest of this stuff put together.